Hi, have you ever tried growing and eating Chinese Yardlong beans? Chinese Yardlong bean is very easy to grow. Even without fertilizer, they still make beans. They are very productive. If this is your first time growing vegetables, you should try growing the Chinese long yard beans in this summer. You can plant long bean seeds directly in your garden in April, May, June, July, and August to have continuously harvest during the whole hot long summer all the way to fall. You will have guaranteed success in harvesting. Yardlong beans have a richer, more intense bean flavor, like a mixture of asparagus and beans. They are more dense and less stringy than green beans. They are very tender when cooked well. Best way to cook them is to cook them in a hot skillet or stir fry. Boiling and steaming can make them waterlogged. Anyway, if you want to have more harvest during the long hot summer, long yard bean is your number one choice to plant. To pick long yard beans is simple. You can see these long yard beans are ready to pick. Do not wait for them to get too big. This is the best way to pick when they are not too big and very tender. From here, from here. The one is on the floor here, close to the ground. You need to pick long yard beans every day so they don't get too old. I plant long yard beans every year because they are really very easy to grow. No need fertilizer. They still make good beans. And also, you can keep your long yard beans to make seeds if you want them. Sometimes you just forget to harvest some of the seeds. You don't get to see when you harvest the beans. Then some of them grow older. That's fine. You can just harvest them for seeds next year after they are ready to harvest. Oh, talk about that one. Look here. See, look this one. This one is too old for me to harvest. It's on the bottom. See, little hole here. Because it is on the bottom, I couldn't see it to harvest. So this one would be perfect choice to let it grow to the brown and to harvest for seed. Because I couldn't see them. See, they are hiding. look this one. This one can be eaten, okay? But this one is already getting little old. Look at how long this one. This one more than 1 foot. I cannot see from here. The sun is so bright, I can't even see from the camera. This is the beans. Start from here. All the way. Whoa! See, this one is a beautiful bean. So I didn't see it to harvest. So I will let this one grow to have seeds. So I will ensure this seeds from this part is very good. So I will just keep it to produce seeds later on. Same as this one here. I didn't get a chance to harvest and it gets older. So I will let it grow seeds. Only harvest the tender ones. They grow pretty fast. This is Yardlong beans I just picked. They are so fresh compared to vegetables you buy from a grocery store. It is definitely worth your time to grow your own food. Thank you for watching. Bye.